Hi, my name is Caroline Lovers. I write the blog Whipped and I'm a Spice Islands flavor explorer. I'm going to show you how to make galactoboriko, which is a Greek phyllo custard pie soaked with a citrus syrup. Inside the custard is a fine semolina, and I get mine at a local store that has ethnic ingredients. If you can't find one like this, then you might want to just look in the ethnic aisle of your grocery store or the finest semolina that you can find. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then we're going to make the custard. Put 6 cups of milk in the pan, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of the fine semolina flour, and we're going to use 3/4 cup sugar, but use about a half cup in the custard, and we're going to reserve the rest to mix with the eggs that we'll add in at the end. And you'll want to continue to whisk and cook it until it gets really thick to a pudding consistency. Then you want to turn off the heat and let it sit for about 5 minutes while you prepare your pan and your phyllo. In this dish I have my 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup of butter minus the tablespoon that I put inside the custard. And you want to start by brushing the bottom of your pan. You could either use a lasagna pan or a 14-inch round pan, which is what my cousins in Greece do. They serve a big round pie always. So take your first sheet of phyllo and lay it down. You don't have to be too delicate. The key is to move fast, and you just roll the edges down on each other later. So don't worry about the edges being too pretty, but you do have to give a really healthy coat of butter between every single layer. And you're going to start by adding about 4 to 6 layers, or about half of your package of phyllo, on the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to put the custard inside and put more phyllo on top of the pan. And we're going to bake it till the phyllo is nice and crispy, and then make a citrus syrup to pour over the top to soak the custard pie in the end. When the first 6 sheets or so of your phyllo are down, then mix the remaining amount of your sugar, it should be about a 1/4 cup, with 3 eggs. And we're going to stir that into the custard. And 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And the finely grated zest from 1 orange. Pour your slightly cooled custard on your phyllo and spread it out. Then we're going to top the pie with the remaining 6 or so sheets of phyllo, brushing butter in between every single one with a nice coating. Butter. Again, you don't have to be too gentle, you just have to lay it down. While the phyllo pie is baking, I'm going to make the citrus syrup. You want to start with 1½ cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, the juice of half of an orange, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and if you want to boost the citrus flavor, you can do just a touch of pure lemon extract, either a few drops or at the most even 1/8 of a teaspoon. Heat the syrup for about 3 to 5 minutes over medium heat until the syrup is clear. When the pie is done, it will be golden brown on the top, and you want to let the pie sit for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to pour the citrus syrup over the top to soak it.